Alana Banana Show. Come along with me, so much for us to see. There's magic everywhere. Playing in the sun, everything is possible and fun. Just use your mind to go there. Shooby-doo-wop-biddy-bop, imagination. The most exciting place you'll ever know. Shooby-doo-wop-biddy-bop, imagination. You can go anywhere you want to go.
Hi everyone, I'm so excited. I'm here with one of my best friends. I love dogs so much. Sometimes I even wish I was a dog.
If I were a dog, I'd roam around, wag my tail, jump up and down, fetch the ball that you throw, chew on my toy or your socks when you go. I would run so free, play all day, have a treat by your side. I would be, oh, the best of friends, you and me. If I were a dog, I'd sniff around, follow my nose, hear every sound, stop by each tree, roll in the grass, bark at the squirrels and the birds when they pass. I would howl at the moon, big and round like a balloon. By your side, I would be, oh, the best of friends, you and me. I would run so free, play all day, have a treat by your side. I would be, oh, the best of friends, you and me.
Tip. This is the tip of the day.
Top of the morning, it's time for the tip of the day. Today's tip is the golden rule. Do you know what the golden rule is? The golden rule is, oh gosh, I don't remember. Let's see if some of our friends know it.
That's a great idea, Neil. Let's ask Bill.
I believe the golden rule is about finding your true love. El amor verdadero.
That's very sweet, but I don't think that's what the golden rule is.
Let's try someone else.
The golden rule? That's easy. It's what you use to find buried treasure. X marks the spot, baby.
I'm not sure that's right either.
Maybe these guys.
Oh dear.
Whoops, sorry. I know who we should ask. Alana Banana.
Hey Neil, how's it going?
We're trying to figure out the golden rule.
I believe the golden rule is to treat others the way you want to be treated. So if you want people to be nice to you, you should be nice to them too.
That's right. I can't believe I forgot the golden rule. Here, I was thinking it had something to do with cheddar cheese. Thanks, Alana. I hope you at home do a better job remembering the golden rule than I did. Bye for now.
Hey, Alana Banana, what you working on?
Well, hi, V. Today we're learning about plants.
Out of sight. When are we going? Do I need sunblock? Where's my hat?
No, we don't need to go outside. When you're planting, you don't need to have a farm. You don't even need a garden. We can grow them right in our home.
That's amazing.
All we need is a sunny spot, soil, water, a pot, and can you guess what else we need?
A miracle?
Nature is incredible, but I was thinking of something very small. Can you guess at home? If you said seed, you're right. Every plant starts with a tiny seed.
Even me?
Yes, Beat, even you. We start by filling the pot with soil, making a little hole. We drop the seed in, cover it, add some water, and we're ready to go.
Now what?
We have to wait a little.
Oh.
I do find that plants like music.
Grow, little plant, grow, growing so high towards the sun and the sky. Grow, grow, grow.
Okay, my turn. Grow, little plant, grow, growing so high towards. Oh, Alana, I think I need a little help.
Of course.
Little plants grow, growing so high towards the sun and the sky. Grow, grow, grow.
Wow, Alana, you're so good with plants. You really have a green thumb. I don't even have thumbs.
I love to hear farm animals and all they have to say. They speak in different voices, they talk in different ways. They have a lot of feelings, just like me and you. And when they get the feeling to say something, they do. The cows go moo, moo. How about you? Moo. The horse says neigh, neigh. What do you say? The ducks go quack, 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 and waddle back.
Quack, 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 quack.
The pigs go oink, 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 oink. I think they want a snack.
Oink, 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 oink.
I love to hear farm animals and all they have to say. They make me smile, let's stay a while and have some fun today. They're so unique, it's such a treat to watch them do their thing. When in the mood, they'll talk to you, or maybe even sing. The cows go moo, moo. The rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. The horse says, whoa. I love hay. The ducks go quack, 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 quack. I think they want a snack.
Quack, 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 quack.
The pigs go oink, 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 and all run back. I love all my animal friends, and that's a fact.
I have an idea. Let's talk about electricity. We use electricity to power lots of things. From clocks to televisions, from refrigerators to the lights in our homes. Electricity is everywhere. We also use electricity in music. Some instruments use electricity to power them. These are called electric instruments. Instruments that don't use any power are called acoustic instruments. Now, can you guess which acoustic instrument goes with which electric instrument? The piano goes with the keyboard. The upright bass goes with the electric bass. And the guitar goes with the electric guitar. Now you're powered with the knowledge to rock out. I'm Alana Banana. Thanks so much for watching. See you soon.
If you dig it, subscribe.